Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've changed the headers on the car. I did the valve lash on the roller rockers on both sides here, and I did the adjustment. Everything's correct here. I'm still having an issue at wide open throttle. Um, it it hesitates, it misfires, it backfires. Now before I had the issue, I had a collector leak on this side, and this is the exact side where the muffler is coming apart inside the muffler, the baffle. And I feel like it's causing back pressure on this side of the motor. Um, I'm not 100% sure, but since the day I got this car, that muffler had always had a problem. It shook crazy when he first started the car. It shook like how the exhaust comes out of that muffler, but to me there's some obstruction in that muffler, and I feel like it's causing back pressure into this side. Maybe because the collector flange was open before when I had the leak, when I had the old headers, I didn't have the lean O2 sensor codes. When I changed the headers and sealed it up from here and on the collectors on both sides, all of a sudden these codes popped up. Stuck lean. I got two. I think 174 and 136. I got two lean codes. There's no other codes. I've had no other codes prior. I've had the same problem. When I hit the gas and go, if I barely hit the gas, it goes fine, shifts gears and everything. But when I go to mash on the pedal just even a little bit or lightly, it misfires, backfires like it's two-stepping. I don't know what's wrong. Change the plugs, the wires, all the fuel shit in the car. I just replaced the throttle position sensor. That's new. I've done everything but change the mass airflow sensor. Fortunately, I can't change the mass airflow sensor without tuning the car. I've replaced injectors. I've done everything. I'm at wit's end. I don't know what else to look for, begin to find, because everything else I've looked at, I've gone through or already done. You know, you get to a point where you've done so much and you're just lost because you don't know where else to turn to. So, what I think I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pull that muffler off, check that muffler. The baffle is torn internally. I believe that's one of my issues of loss of power. And then now number two, since I've quieted the engine bay, I hear like a vacuum leak somewhere in this area. Maybe it's under the intake. I can't find it. I have to resort to taking it somewhere and getting a smoke test and see if I have vacuum or smoke coming out in one of these places that I just can't see, you know. Um, so I want to let you know this is where I'm going next with the car. As always, like, subscribe, and share, and keep on dreaming.